Well, I'm off to trim big Tess this morning, if I can find her. See if she'll come down, get her minerals and the feet done. And in the meantime, I've got the big black fellow here I did the other day. Well, there she is. You want to come down, get your feet trimmed and a feed, get your minerals? Come on. You come with me. You big girl. Beautiful big girl that is. You come with me. Come down and get your feet done. Come on. Come on. You're not going to. I'm going to have to put a rope around your neck, am I? Okay, I will do that. Putting one rope around your neck. And we're going down. Yes, I know. Come on, let's go. That's a girl. That's a good girl. We go down and we do your feet down here. There's Sunny there. I'll fix this up now. Right. Yes, a conventional trim nipper's rasp knife. This one here. Last couple of months, they've all been, their soles are exfoliating like you wouldn't believe. size of these bars. Yeah, they're hard. I suppose it's easier to get it off with the nippers than with a rasp. So basically, I'm just taking out a bit of a quarters now because the toes are good, heels are good. Try it the side here. There, bitch. Once you go over that way for me. Over. Over. More. Over. Over. Come on. Once you go. Huge bars again, and the rest's exfoliated good. Once again, just a little bit in the quarters and a rub on the toes. There you go. removing sole with the nippers. You've got to be extremely careful you don't drive them in on too big an angle. It doesn't take much to penetrate the solacorium. I did it once. I'm very cautious since rarely do I use nippers to remove the bars, but they weren't too bad today. Just a bit out of the quarters. Get out of it, you big bugger! That's all you need is another horse scratching on the fence while you're doing this and getting caught up to make it worse. Steady now. So, do you trim them while their mates are around? Or do you get them off in private? And I guess come back here. Trimming around here, supposed to leave about the thickness of a credit card around the edge. Go up over the toe, don't take any toe colours. So the good book says. Bevel on the toe. As usual, back feet in much better nick than front feet. Let's have a look if we can. Come on. Good girl. You can see that. I'm not going to rub any more if that'll drop off. There you go. One front to go. Well, one front to go and the battery went flat. But what I did want to say is that I've had a few comments about people saying not very professional, not wearing an apron, but I'm not banging in nails and ripping off steel shoes either. And by the same token, I get tangled up if I try to wear an apron, so I've got to put up with wearing out my jeans. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to help us out with we're now pretty much basically total rescues. All the best. Stay well. Bye.